Now that we understand what a traversal is and the different relationships and the different angle pairs that are formed by a traversal, now we want to look at a special case where our lines are parallel. And notice I put the arrows on here to show that our lines are parallel. So there's a special case when a traversal cuts through parallel lines. And we're going to look at postulate 3.2-1 is the corresponding angle postulate, which says if two parallel lines are cut by a traversal, then the corresponding angles are congruent. So remember, corresponding angles means it's in the same quadrant. So angle 2 is congruent to angle 6. Angle 3 is congruent to angle 7. Corresponding angles are congruent based on this postulate. And remember, postulates are accepted statements. We don't need to prove them. We can use this in other proofs. Now, this proof, or this postulate, leads us to a few other theorems that will be helpful. And once we have proven them, we can use them as well. So let's look at those other theorems. 3.2.2. And again, I'm not concerned about this number. I'm concerned that if I ask you what the alternate interior angles theorem states, that you can tell me. The alternate interior angle theorem states that alternate interior angles are congruent when two parallel lines are cut by a traversal. So, alternate interior angles, remember this is the interior, exterior out here. Alternate means opposite sides of the traversal. So we have angle 3 is congruent to the alternate interior. So is congruent to angle 6. The next one, alternate exterior angles. When two parallel lines are cut by a traversal, the two alternate exterior angles are congruent as well. So exterior, we're on the outside. That means we're out here, and they are alternate, so opposite sides. So we have 1 is congruent to 8, based on the alternate exterior angle theorem. The last one we want to look at is the same side exterior angle theorem, which, when we look at the same side, again, this is all based on two parallel lines that are cut by a traversal. Same side exterior angles. Same side, 1, we're on the same side of the traversal, and we're on the exterior. These are not congruent like our other angle pairs. They are supplementary. And remember the definition of supplementary, 180 degrees.